Here's your first question. Which animal has the longest lifespan of any mammal? Your options are A. Elephant, B. Bowhead whale, C. Blue whale, D. Gorilla. The correct answer is B. Bowhead whale. Here's your next question. Which U.S. state is known as the land of 10,000 lakes? Your options are A. Wisconsin, B. Michigan, C. Minnesota, D. Maine. The correct answer is C. Minnesota. Here's your next question. Which human organ contains tiny air sacs called alveoli? Your options are A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Lungs, D. Kidney. The correct answer is C. Lungs. Here's your next question. Which planet has the largest volcano in the solar system? Your options are A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Mercury. The correct answer is B. Mars. Here's your next question. Which bird can hover in one place while flying? Your options are A. Eagle, B. Hummingbird, C. Falcon, D. Pigeon. The correct answer is B. Hummingbird. Wait, before we continue, if you enjoy brain quizzes like this, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new challenge. All right, let's continue. Here's your next question. Which U.S. state is known as the Green Mountain State? Your options are A. Vermont, B. Oregon, C. Colorado, D. Montana. The correct answer is A. Vermont. Here's your next question. Which fruit is the main ingredient in guava jelly? Your options are A. Mango, B. Guava, C. Peach, D. Pear. The correct answer is B. Guava. Here's your next question. Which animal has the strongest sense of smell? Your options are A. Wolf, B. Dog, C. Bear, D. Elephant. The correct answer is C. Bear. Here's your next question. What is the largest joint in the human body? Your options are A. Shoulder, B. Knee, C. Hip, D. Elbow. The correct answer is B. Knee. Here's your next question. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? Your options are A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Here's your next question. Which sea animal is the fastest swimmer? Your options are A. Dolphin, B. Sailfish, C. Shark, D. Tuna. The correct answer is B. Sailfish. Here's your next question. Which U.S. state is known as the Empire State? Your options are A. New York, B. New Jersey, C. Pennsylvania, D. Virginia. The correct answer is A. New York. Here's your next question. Which vitamin helps the body absorb iron? Your options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin E. The correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Here's your next question. Which animal can rotate its head the farthest? Your options are A. Eagle, B. Owl, C. Hawk, D. Crow. The correct answer is B. Owl. Here's your next question. Which U.S. city is famous for the Space Needle? Your options are A. Portland, B. Seattle, C. Chicago, D. Denver. The correct answer is B. Seattle. Here's your next question. Which metal is used to make stainless steel rust-resistant? Your options are A. Copper, B. Chromium, C. Zinc, D. Tin. The correct answer is B. Chromium. Here's your next question. Which animal has the longest ears relative to its body? Your options are A. Jackrabbit, B. Elephant, C. Donkey, D. Fennec fox. The correct answer is A. Jackrabbit. Wait, if you want videos like this every single day, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so you're always first to watch. Here's your next question. Which U.S. state is known as the first state? Your options are A. Delaware, B. Virginia, C. Massachusetts, D. Maryland. The correct answer is A. Delaware. Here's your next question. Which part of the human body contains enamel? Your options are A. Bone, B. Teeth, C. Nail, D. Skull. The correct answer is B. Teeth. Here's your next question. Which planet has the coldest average temperature? Your options are A. Neptune, B. Uranus, C. Saturn, D. Mars. The correct answer is B. Uranus. Here's your next question. Which animal can survive in both freshwater and saltwater? Your options are A. Salmon, B. Goldfish, C. Trout, D. Catfish. The correct answer is A. Salmon. Here's your next question. Which U.S. state is home to Mount Denali? Your options are A. Alaska, B. Colorado, C. Montana, D. Washington. The correct answer is A, Alaska. Here's your next question. Which fruit is dried to make dates? Your options are A, fig, B, date palm fruit, C, plum, D, apricot. The correct answer is B, date palm fruit. Here's your next question. Which bone is the longest in the human arm? Your options are A, radius, B, ulna, C, humerus, D, clavicle. The correct answer is C, humerus. All right, guys, here's the last question from PK BrainQuest. Here's your next question. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunflower State? Your options are A, Nebraska, B, Kansas, C, Oklahoma, D, Iowa. Drop your answer in the comment box below. Let's see who gets it right. And if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to PK BrainQuest for more fun quizzes and brain challenges.